This bird belongs to the family of chats. Chats are small and slender, with fine bills. There are a total of 6 breeding species within the UK. Among them include the nightingale, the redstart, and the stonechat. However, this bird is neither of these. This is the wheatear. Males, like this one, have a black cheek with a blue-grey back and black wings. The females are somewhat duller, with a brown back and orange breast. They arrive in the UK from Africa during the spring. They come here to breed, and by mid-May the female has laid 4 to 7 eggs in a nest she has built on the ground. The UK is home to 240,000 pairs of breeding wheatears. To help them survive, they must eat a large quantity of insects and larvae. They spend the remaining months stocking up on fat reserves. This is to prepare them for the long migration flight back to Africa via Spain for the winter period. Once in Africa, they will form territories in bare, stony areas. Due to a variety of nature reserves across the UK, this is one species that is thriving and surviving in today's climate.